everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about tongue cleaning or tongue scraping. So how many of you do it on a daily basis? Do you think it is necessary to do a tongue cleaning like you brush every day? Do you need to do this as well? Yes, you need to. Now, what is tongue cleaning? It's just the cleaning irregular, bumpy surface of your tongue, which if you observe very carefully, you can see that the surface is not smooth. It has some irregularities, which are actually the papillae which are present on the tongue. Papillae are, finger-like projections on the tongue surface, wherein these bacteria as well as the food that we eat, they go and reside there. So this in turn becomes an area for harboring these bacteria. So over 80 to 90% of the bacteria which causes bad breath, they reside in these papillae, along with the plaque that is there in your mouth and this tongue which is never cleaned. Just imagine how bad your breath can be at times. Now you must be wondering, just because you clean your tongue, how is it going to help you other than it helps in removing the bad breath? So let's take it one by one. So the first and foremost reason to clean your tongue is not just about bad breath, it's also to improve your overall health. Just imagine that you have these bacteria along with your old food that is stuck to your tongue. So every time you have your food or you drink water, you are ingesting these bacteria into your gut. So in a way, what you actually do by cleaning your tongue is reduce the amount of overall bacteria which is present not just in the oral cavity but also inside your gut. So in a way, you are actually preventing your whole body from having a lot of bacteria which maybe with this action, a part of it can be reduced. Along with that, a neat looking tongue is always pink. Of course, it's true that nobody is going to look at your tongue. You talk to a person, he's not going to be looking at your tongue whether it is pink or dark pink or grey. But yes, it does matter because at times, when you have a tongue which is clean, which does not have any all these kind of rough scrapey surfaces on it, it gives you a sort of confidence. So I believe that doing a tongue cleaning definitely helps with your self-confidence. When you go for an interview, even bad breath occasionally, it can lead to a lack of confidence in you. It also helps in removing the smelly food substances like onions which you eat. The taste remains on your tongue, the smell remains along with it, which can be removed if you do a cleaning of your tongue. Along with that, what it also helps in is it helps you enhance your taste sensation. Now, how do you taste the food? You have these tiny taste buds on the tongue surface. So now, when you clean your tongue surface, what happens is these taste buds are more exposed and whatever nice tasty food that you eat, they will be better tasted and you can have a very good experience of whatever food that you eat. Some of them do have a doubt that, repeated cleaning of your tongue, will they remove the taste buds? No, they will not remove the taste buds unless you do it vigorously. Tongue scraping is not something, even though it's called scraping, doesn't really mean that you have to be very harsh with it. You can do it in a softer way, but on a daily basis, and that in turn will help you a lot. So remember that you have to be very gentle with your tongue. It's a very soft tissue, right? So along with that, I've seen that some of them, what they do is they use the backside of their toothbrush in order to do a tongue scraping. I would not recommend that because I feel that the tongue scrapers are designed in order to adapt to the surface of the tongue. And hence they help in a better cleaning. Maybe partially your toothbrush, the backside of your toothbrush might help, but then I don't think it's the right way to do a thing. It's like, you use a very big sword to cut a very small vegetable. You just need a knife, right? So the right kind of structure is required to do the right kind of cleaning. And also, the amount of damage that can be created will be less if the structure of the tongue scraper matches your tongue. You can buy a tongue cleaner or a tongue scraper which is available in the market. There are different kinds of ones. Something which is quite soft, which you feel you can use it effectively would do. There's also electric tongue scrapers which are available. So I have not personally tried it, but yeah, I am not very sure if it's as comfortable as an electric toothbrush. So for most of you, in the first place, when you start using a tongue scraper, in the beginning it can cause some sort of uncomfortable situation to you, like it can cause gagging. At times you might see that your tongue has become more pinkish than usual, you feel some sort of burning sensation on your tongue. So all this is very quite, very normal. It can happen in the beginning, but after a use of like maybe for a week or so, you will get used to it. So that's all for today, guys. Please visit, come back, watch my channel, like, share and subscribe. And do comment on videos. If you have any queries, please do ask. Thank you.